We are in a very potent portal for the rising of the divine feminine. But the way that it's rising is in a very specific way. And that's because of the full moon in Taurus coming up, along with 3i Atlas passing by Venus. So these are very much Venus codes that are coming up for us to be able to anchor more into our physical body and consciousness. So Venus codes include self-love, self-worth, self-value, and abundance. In fact, they're all very, very intricately connected. And Venus codes, when you're really embodying your Venus codes, you become very, very magnetic to others, including themes and things to do with abundance, to do with prosperity, to do with love, to do with pleasure. So for us to be able to deepen into these codes, there has to be a decoding first. There has to be a releasing. There has to be a letting go. And this full moon in Taurus is hugely supportive of this. So here are a few things that you may experience. So for some of you, to be able to deepen more into self-love and self-worth, and therefore become an aligned magnet for more abundance, some of the wounding will need to be released when it comes to the sister wound. So what do I mean by that? So many of us will have had wounding that's associated with the feminine. We call it the sister wound. And it's where we've been rejected. It's where we've been betrayed. It's where we've been exiled, like say in past lives. It's where we've been misunderstood by the feminine energy through someone embodied as a woman or a group of women. And this will be held in your physical body. It could be held through your throat, through your heart, through your sacral, or a combination of all of them. And this now is a time to be able to release that